Good afternoon, students. Kolamboli High School, Panvel, Class 7th Standard, Subject English. My name is Mayuri Maruti Bhoir. In home, your grandfather and grandmother tell you some stories. Can you tell which type of story? Okay. In English literature, many types of story. I tell some for example. Folk tale, parable, realistic, political, comedy, satire, fables, fantasy, romantic, tragedy, moral story. Let's see the screen. Folk, it is a type of story. Folk means a story passed on traditionally. Second, parable. It means a short allegorical story teach some truth, religious principle or moral lesson. Then, fairy tale. It is a type of story. A story for children about elves, dragons, fearless. Then, fantasy. An imaginative story deals with supernatural or natural events or characters. Then, tragedy. The tragic or mournful story or drama of life. This is type of story. So, today we are going to learn about Unit 2.2, Subunit 2 Fables, included two stories. First story is The Two Friends and the Bear. So, student, open your textbook and page number 38. Okay. It is a story of a fable. Fable means a fable is a very short story, usually with animal, characters or even inanimate things that speak. A fable usually ends with a message or a moral. It tells us you about the ways of the world and how one should behave in society. फॅबल म्हणजे अशी लघुकथा की ज्यामध्ये प्राणी किंवा निर्जीव गोष्ट बोलत असते आणि या फॅबलचा शेवट किंवा एखादा संदेश किंवा बोध देऊन होत असतो. फॅबल आपल्याला काय सांगतात की जगामध्ये आपण कशा प्रकारे वागलं पाहिजे किंवा समाजामध्ये आपण कशा प्रकारे वागलं पाहिजे याचा आपल्याला या फॅबलमध्ये बोध होत असतो. देन these two fables come from Aesop, the famous Greek storyteller. His stories were told and retold in many countries according to their own local conditions. मीन्स या ठिकाणी या ज्या दोन फॅबल्स दिलेल्या आहेत या प्रसिद्ध अशा ग्रीक कथाकार ॲसप याच्या आहेत. त्याच्या कथा या अनेक देशांमध्ये स्थानिक अटींवर पुन्हा पुन्हा सांगितल्या जातात. लेट्स सी पॅरेग्राफ फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड. सेम पॅरेग्राफ इन युअर टेक्स्टबुक. दिस स्टोरी इज अ शॉर्ट पॅरेग्राफ्स. फर्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ. Two friends were traveling together through a wood when suddenly they came across a bear. When suddenly they came across a bear, the bear saw the travelers and rushed out upon them. Then one of the travelers was good at climbing tree. Without waiting for his friend, he caught hold of the branch of a nearby tree and hid himself among the leaves. Means first paragraph stated, suddenly they saw a large bear approaching them. One of the friends at once climbing a nearby the tree, but the other one did not know how to climb, so being led by his ground sense, he lay down on the ground, breathless, pretending to be a dead man. मीन्स दोन मित्र एका अरण्यातून एकत्र प्रवास करीत होते. त्यावेळी त्यांची एका अस्वलाशी अचानक गाठ पडली. अस्वलाने त्या प्रवाशांना पाहिले आणि त्यांच्यावर हल्ला केला. त्या प्रवाशांपैकी एक झाडावर चढण्यात पटाईत होता. आपल्या मित्राची वाट न पाहता त्याने जवळपासच्या झाडाची फांदी पकडली आणि स्वतःला पानांमध्ये झोपून घेतलं. ओके. इन दिस पॅरेग्राफ न्यू वर्ड्स. Rushed means attack. Second, among means in or into the middle of. Then paragraph 3rd and 4th. The other did not know what to do. He had heard that bear do not bother with dead animal. So he threw himself flat down upon the ground, with his face into the dust. The bear coming up to him put its muzzle close to his ear and sniffed. But the man lay very quietly on the ground and did not even breathe. At last, with a growl, it shook its head and sludged off. In this paragraph, the bear came near the man laying on the ground. It smelled in his ear and slowly left the place, because the bear do not touch the dead creatures. Okay, then let's see the screen. Threw means to put something somewhere quickly and carelessly. Second, dust means sand, green. Muzzle means the nose and mouth and animal. Third, sniffed means to smell something by sniffing. Sludged means walk away with its shoulder bent forward. Okay. In this 3rd and 4th paragraph, tell the story. One friend दुसऱ्याला काय करावे ते समजेना. अस्वल मृत प्राण्याकडे लक्ष देत नाहीत असे त्याने ऐकले होते. म्हणून त्याने स्वतःचा चेहरा धुळीत ठेवून उपडे जमिनीवर झोकून दिले. त्याच्याजवळ येऊन अस्वलाने आपले मुस्कट त्याच्या कानाजवळ नेले आणि बराच वेळ तो हुंगत राहिला. तो माणूस जमिनीवर अगदी शांतपणे पडून राहिला होता. तो श्वासोच्छ्वासही करीत नव्हता. अखेर एकदा गुरगुरून डोके हलवले आणि खांदे पाडून ते अस्वल निघून गेले. इन टेल दिस पॅरेग्राफ 3rd and 4th. Got it? Okay. Then paragraph 5th and 6th. Look at the screen. Then the fellow in the tree came down to his comrade and laughing said, What was it that Master Bruin whispered to you? He told me, said the other, never trust a friend who deserts you at a pinch. In this paragraph, now the friend on the tree come down and asked his friend on the ground, Friend, what did the bear tell you into your ears? The other friend replied, The bear advised me not to believe a false friend. Okay, means मग झाडावरचा माणूस खाली उतरला, मित्राकडे आला आणि हसत हसत त्याला म्हणाला, ब्रून साहेब तुझ्यापाशी काय फुटले? म्हणजे ते अस्वल तुझ्यापाशी काय येऊन फुटले? दुसरा म्हणाला, त्याने मला सांगितले, अडचणीच्या काळात तुला सोडून जाणाऱ्या मित्रावर कधीही विश्वास ठेवू नकोस. इन दिस पॅरेग्राफ न्यू वर्ड्स. Whispered means to speak very quietly, somebody ear so that other people cannot hear what you are saying. Then desert means leave behind. Then comrade means friend, companion. Then at a pinch means in an emergency. I hope you understand the story. Then in this moral the story, a friend is need is a friend indeed means जो मित्र अडचणीत मदत करतो तोच खरा मित्र असतो. Okay student, let's see. I ask you some question, guess the answer. Who rushed out upon the friends? Guess the answer. Yes, answer is a bear. Then second question, Where they at the time? Yes. Answer is passing through a wood. Okay. Then I give you homework. Write down your notebook. First, use the phrase "be good at something" in your own sentence. Second, find the sentence in which it is used in this story. Okay, I hope you understand the story. Thank you.